In today's video, I am going to teach you Figma to Code, how to use Visual Copilot in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a Figma design into clean production-ready code using the Builder. IO Figma to Code plugin powered by Visual Copilot. Start by opening your design in Figma so the canvas shows the screen or component you want to export. From the Figma toolbar, open the Actions menu, switch to the Plugins and Widgets tab. Then search for Builder. IO and select Builder. IO Figma to Code. Run the plugin to bring up the Visual Copilot panel right inside Figma. When it opens, sign into your Builder IO account so the plugin can analyze your design and generate code tied to your preferences. Next, choose a specific frame or layer on your Figma canvas that you want to convert. Selecting the right parent frame helps Visual Copilot understand boundaries, layout, and hierarchy. If your layers are clearly named and organized, you'll usually get more readable component names and cleaner structure in the output. Auto layout, consistent spacing, and defined text styles are also great signals that improve the quality of the generated code. Inside the plugin interface, click Generate Code or Smart Export. Visual Copilot will scan the selected design and produce high-quality code tailored to your chosen framework and styling approach. You can target stacks like React, Vue, Svelte, Angular, or plain HTML and pair them with Tailwind, CSS, plain CSS-styled components, and more. Take a moment to confirm the framework and styling options match your project's conventions. Visual Copilot maps your visual styles, spacing, and typography to code, aiming to keep the structure logical and the CSS maintainable. Once the code is ready, copy it directly into your project. Paste it into your components or pages where it belongs, keeping your file organization and naming consistent with the rest of your codebase. If you want the output to better align with your standards, use custom prompts in the plugin to refine the result. For example, you can request specific class naming patterns, stricter responsive breakpoints, or a switch from utility classes to a CSS module approach. Iterating with prompts is an efficient way to bring the generated code in line with your team's style guide without rewriting it from scratch. That's the flow. Thanks for watching.